Hey guys, today we are going inside of Pottery Barn to see what's new for summer. Now here at Pottery Barn, they always have beautiful displays of beautiful candles, no matter whether it's tumbled glass, hurricane glass, or lanterns. Now here they have beautiful outdoor cushions as well as tabletop decor and serveware. Now here they have more candles with mercury glass candlesticks as well as lanterns in silver. They also have beautiful faux flowers. And if anyone is interested in these flicker flameless candles, they start at $54 and they go as high as $194. And then here are a few more options for your candles. And guys, I am absolutely loving the succulent and air plants. And guys, over here they have more outdoor decor in shades of blue. They have neutral accents and nautical stripes. So over here on this side, you will find intricate patterns, stripes, and warm tones of blush. Now, if you guys prefer the custom collections, they have many shades to choose from. Now here we are entering into the interior decor, and here you will see neutrals, soft washed textiles, and a few gold accents. And they even have coffee table books. Okay guys, so now we are in the bed and bath section. And for those of you who love white bedding, they have plenty of luxurious styles to choose from. And they also have soft washed textiles on this side as well. And at last, the ultimate summer experience, the good old red, white, and blue. There's lots to choose from if you are decorating for the 4th of July holiday. And so guys, I even took a peek into the clearance section and I saw these beautiful glass domes with plates, and they were $14.95 on sale. I also found some mercury glass candlesticks. You guys are always asking me about where do I get my mercury glass from, and a lot of it comes from Pottery Barn. Okay guys, that's going to do it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.